Keith, I was driving from Portland to Bangor and back today, and it was like, it got beautiful as I went up, blue skies, and then when I came back, it was rain showers and like mixing in, but there was some sun out there.
You did that, and then you came into work. That's a whole, it's a full day. I would say you exceed expectations at this job.
I was trying to talk about the weather, not
okay. All right. I'm sorry, I get sidetracked. That's a long drive. It's a good drive to do there and back. We actually have emailed in-house here, guys. You know we get them every once in a while. Anyone going up there so there's something Nick can take?
Yes.
You probably had a whole cargo of stuff. The deal with this setup was, for a while this morning, it was really just Portland and southern coastal Maine stuck in the clouds. So as Zach drove up there, it looked good, and then you come back down, and finally we broke out to some sun. But in these patches of showers, we've had some small hail, and we talked yesterday about the potential for this because it's cold aloft that makes it easier to make hail. So I've just started getting a bunch of messages. One was from Wells, where there was some hail. And you can see this right here. This is definitely little hailers right towards Richmond, Jefferson. So at Camden was another spot that I got a message that there was some hail and some thunder. So kind of wild out there. There's a mixture of sun and clouds and then some hail. But you know what? Still better than being socked in and cloudy and drizzly. 50 to 55, most of us, 60 in Bangor, 60 in Millinocket and Caribou as well. Showers die down quickly tonight. We go clear, temperatures upper 30s to around 40 degrees. Nice bright day tomorrow. Not a whole lot to talk about here, which is good. 60 to 65. Onshore flow in the afternoon might knock temperatures back down along the coast. Still a bunch of snow. I think only Sugarloaf is open in Maine right now, and they still have a bunch if you want to go skiing tomorrow. It looks pretty good. Clouds increase on Saturday. It's kind of a milky sky initially, and then afternoon it gets thicker. The clouds do, especially over southern Maine. Showers move in, but it should be after sunset in most spots. Showers are overnight Saturday and then just off and on through much of the day Sunday, which looks pretty raw and not all that pleasant in the upper 40s. Just showers, though, on Sunday. Sunday night into Monday first half is heavy rain. We get this storm cranked up to the west. We start bringing moisture in off the ocean, some wind as well, and it's just dumping rain here overnight Sunday into early Monday. Wind gusts are right on the line, too. We're talking 40 to 45, maybe some 50s, and if we get into some 50s, we could have some power outage issues. Peak of this will be late Sunday into early Monday. Best chance of strong winds will be over the mid-coast and down East Maine. We'll keep an eye on that 50 threshold. I think we're just under it right now, so it'll be windy, but not a ton of power outages. And the Euro model going bananas with rain, 3.5 inches, 4 inches. I don't know about 4. I do think 2 to 3 is a pretty good bet in a lot of spots as far as rain goes. So I was joking before about if your basement's one of those basements, you know what to do, because that's the direction we're going in here for Sunday and into Monday. Not bad on Tuesday, pop-up showers Wednesday, very chilly on Thursday. In fact, the ensemble members there, to me, say we could see some mountain or foothill snow on Thursday while we're stuck in the low 40s everywhere else. So as you can see, this pattern is still here. We'll be here through next weekend, and then we'll reevaluate our lives after that and see where we're at.
Yeah, make sure your sump pump's ready to go.
Yeah.
Thanks, Keith.